going on, guys? It's Blake, or President Wi-Fi, and today I've got a little bit of a different video for you guys. It's going to be working on the random class generator. Right now I've got it pretty much, it's completely working with secondary attachments. I just need to work on overkill and do some testing, but other than that, once I get overkill attachments done, I'm pretty sure it's going to be right where I want it to be. So let's jump in. Hopefully you guys kind of enjoyed just seeing the kind of what's gone into this. Right now, once I get the attachments working, there's not really a whole lot more that I want to do with it at the moment. I've been super busy and school just started back up, so I don't have a whole lot of time to devote to it, but we are going to get overkill attachments working, hopefully. I've got a pretty decent idea of what I need to do to get them working, so we're going to jump in and see if it works. I will really quickly, I'm going to show you guys what I have so far. I've gone ahead and actually I've capped it, so the only first perk that you can get is overkill, just so I can test the attachments. But let's jump into VS Code and take a look at it. So let's get down here. All right. So I think the first thing I need to do is this may not be the most efficient way to do this, but I'm gonna make an overkill attachments.js file. And I am by no means professional in this field. Everything that I know so far I've taught myself. So I'm sure it's not the most efficient way of doing things. It's not the cleanest code, but it works. That's all that I'm trying to get it. I just want it something that players, content creators, everyone can use to generate classes and have some fun with. Okay, let's go into, where is my, right here. And add, oops. Here. Oops. Let's add in overkill attachments.js. And I think I need to, I'm not entirely sure that this is going to work. I haven't tested it at all. We're going to go ahead and copy all of these, all of the primary weapons. And I'm going to make just a temporary file to go ahead and go in here and do, we're just going to rename this random primary to random secondary. To replace all of them. Okay. Let's take these back into here, and I've made a little area. We're going to make a little area right here for the overkill. And we'll put that. All right, so we've got all of those random secondaries. So then it will call to I think we actually may have to go. Let me look at something really quick. Let's look at the primaries. See how many spots we have. That's what I was afraid of. Okay, if I do it that way works. I think I need to add, because it's going to need to call a different one than it calls for the primaries, because those ones are set to make only primary attachments. So let's go ahead and let's do this. Oh, I don't know how I typed. Oh, I just didn't clear it all. Okay, and let's put in or not in 0, an O. Let's replace all of those. Okay. So now in here, it will be calling a different function than it calls for the primary weapons. It's just everything with an O at the end. Okay. So now I need to copy the primary weapons that I did into, let's put it in here so I don't screw anything up, and let's go up to the top. There's a lot of stuff in this file, and look for that. So there are 31. Okay, that's good. We need there to be 31. But we want to add an O right there. Okay. So now it is every single function. It saves or has the O at the end. So now we need to find anywhere that it says primary. And I don't think I have it anywhere. Yeah. And I think I've went through and named everything. As it should be, so I should be able to just name it that. And that should theoretically work. Let's go ahead. It does. Okay. So it's working how I need it to be. I'm gonna really quickly, I will see you guys in a second. I'm gonna jump onto the Xbox and make sure that the secondaries can have 5 attachments, because I'm not 100% sure when you're using Overkill, but I will see you guys in just 1 second. All right, so it actually looks like you can have 5 attachments, so I think we are good. I'm gonna go ahead and I'll go ahead and do some testing, and this will be probably up by the time you see this video. This update will be pushed live. So right now it does do everything that I wanted it to do functionality wise. I never really wanted to implement what ranks you have to be to unlock things. I feel like I'm not advanced enough in this field to know really what I need to do in order to implement that, and it would take a whole lot of time, and being a student and working and all the other things, I just feel like I don't have the time to put into it that I would need to do that right now. I may look into it and just study up on see how difficult it would be, but right now it functions as I would like it to. Everything works, attachments, primary, secondary. I've got it down to, I like the design of the website. It fits relatively well. There are some bugs if you come to it on a mobile site. I think a mobile site works. I think it's if you're on like an iPad or something, it kind of has some bugs that I need to look into, and I want to add a features request page and a couple other things. But right now, functionality wise, it works how I would like it to. This actually went a lot more smooth than I was planning on it going. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you've had an amazing day, and I will see you guys in the next video. Let me know in the comments if you liked this type of video, if you want to see me work on things, or I can do like stuff I'm working on for school, make a video on it. I really like I'm studying IT, so I can make videos on that. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you want to, and have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.